Hey guys, it's Emma here from hiphulahoophooray, and we're going to be learning how to do the wedgie.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
So, place your hoop in front of you, and using your left leg, you're going to bring your left leg around in front and tuck your foot underneath the left side of the hoop, okay? Then I'm going to place my foot on the ground, and I'm going to push back with my right hand, push the hoop back so we've got some tension on it. And then what I want to do is I want to flick it up so it flicks up and around. Alright, let's do that one more time. Okay, now as you're doing that, your right leg is going to come around and twist with it. I pick my foot off the ground just slightly up there, and you're going to let it hit your backside here and let it come back down. Okay, so then we're back to where we started. So now you have to keep repeating that motion so you get that backwards and forwards flick of the wedgie. Okay, as your hoop comes down, you want to use your left leg to bring the hoop in, and you have to really squeeze it in between your legs. So squeeze it nice and tight. Okay, so from the start, hoop in front, use your left leg to go around and in and place it on the ground, tucking your foot underneath the hoop. Now we're going to pull back on the hoop and flick it up, and as we go, bring our right leg across and lift it up, and then as your hoop comes back down, we're going to bring our left leg down, and then we're going to repeat that motion. Great. So we can also do this on the opposite side. So grab your hoop, use your right leg, put your right leg in and around the front, tuck it underneath. You're going to put tension on the hoop and let it swing up and down. Good job.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.